The human body was written for Earth, encoded in an environment of gravity, protection, and rhythmic cycles, and when it leaves, the script begins to change. In the vast silence of space, beyond the shielding cocoon of our planet, the genome itself becomes an exposed frontier, vulnerable to forces that evolution never rehearsed for. Cosmic radiation streams through the void like invisible shrapnel, carrying the echoes of distant stellar explosions. When these high-energy particles pass through the human body, they do not simply touch it, they pierce it, slicing through cells and unraveling strands of DNA. The genetic code, that intricate library of life, can be altered in subtle or profound ways. Some changes are repaired, as the body's molecular guardians scramble to maintain order. Others linger, mutations etched into the blueprint, quiet and unpredictable. At the same time, microgravity reshapes biology from the inside out. Cells behave differently when freed from the constant pull of Earth. Genes that regulate bone density, muscle growth, and immune response begin to shift their expression, like instruments retuning in a new acoustic environment. The body adapts, but adaptation is not always benign. It is a negotiation, a continuous recalibration of what it means to be human in a place where the usual rules no longer apply. Even time itself seems to blur. Without the steady rhythm of sunrise and sunset, the biological clock drifts, and with it, the patterns that govern cellular repair and genetic stability. The genome is not static, it responds to its environment, and in space, that environment is radically unfamiliar. What emerges is not a breakdown, but a transformation, a dynamic interplay between resilience and vulnerability. Long-term spaceflight forces us to confront a profound question: is humanity defined by its genetic code, or by its ability to adapt that code to new realities? As we venture farther from Earth, we are not just exploring space, we are exploring the limits of our own biology. The genome becomes both a record of where we came from and a canvas for where we might go, shaped by the silent, relentless influence of the cosmos.